Welcome to Grey County Grilling and this edition of the Missus and her side dishes. We're still working on the name. Today, Chris is smoking a turkey and finishing off from the Big Easy. We needed some side dishes. We had what we call a turnip, but I believe is technically a rutabaga downstairs, and we thought we'd find a cool way to do it. We've got this cool spiralizer. It's one of our favorite tools to use in the kitchen, so we thought we'd use that today. I'm going to attempt to use this. Had a little bit of a, so let's see. So, Chris has peeled the turnip, I'm going to call it a turnip, and taken off the hard waxy exterior. We're left with a big yellow fragrant ball of root vegetable. So I'm going to take it and put it onto the tines of the spiralizer. It is heavy. I haven't ever done something this big, so it's going to be curious to see how this works. So, I've got this. Let's see. Oh, it's not working.
Kind of working. Yep. There we go.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
There's all of this stuff here.
The spiralizing didn't work as easily as we had hoped or thought, but with a little bit of elbow grease and
There's a lot of elbow
two
grease
people
involved.
working on it, we've managed to get most of it going. So what we're going to do is take this and go from here. We're going to skip the dirty spiralizing part. The rutabaga is spiralized. We had a little bit of time with the spiralizer here. Took two of us and about 4 hands, and with one shoddy wrist it took a little bit of time, but we're good. We've got a beautiful pile of freshly spiralized turnip. It is quite fragrant. It's very fragrant. It's quite fragrant and is ready for the next step. Now that the big fragrant root vegetable has been spiralized, we're going to oil it and season it and get it ready for the oven. I have here just some regular olive oil. Just going to put a little bit of that on. Just a reminder that one giant root vegetable makes a lot of spiralized ribbons. You think that's enough, Chris?
That sounds good. It looks good.
Sounds good, does it?
Sounds good.
Okay, and we've got some salt and pepper. Chris, I'm going to let you do the twisting on this.
Okay.
Watch as he masterfully puts the salt. See that? What mastery.
Years of schooling.
And this is Chris's hairy arm. And pepper. That's what that is. Pepper.
So there is black, white, and red peppercorns in here.
Ooh, fancy.
Yeah.
It's fancy for a small town folk. So, it's been oiled, it's been seasoned. Chris, I'll hand this back to you. And I'm going to get in here with my hands.
You're going to mix it all up?
Yeah.
We may need to hit it again.
Hit it again? Pardon me?
Hit it again with salt and pepper.
Oh, we'll just put some more salt and pepper on it, you mean?
Yeah. Hit it again.
I'm not down with the barbecue lingo.
I think that's more Chris lingo than anything else.
Oh, beautiful,
Look at that.
greasy,
That smells really good.
fragrant vegetables.
Yeah. Okay.
What's next, Chris?
So next, we'll see if we need to add any extra seasoning, and then we will spread it on the baking sheet with parchment paper.
Okay. Now that the Parmesan has been shredded, ooh, fresh shredded Parmesan, we've taken the turnip and placed it on 2 baking sheets. There's a lot of it. We want to make sure it gets as crispy as possible, so 2 baking sheets. We've lined our old pans with parchment to make sure they don't stick. So what I'm going to do is take the Parmesan and just sprinkle it over. A little bit on each one. I'm sure the mister will tell me if I'm doing things wrong. How's it going, Chris?
Looks pretty good so far.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
So now they're ready to go in the oven. We're going to put them in at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for
35 minutes.
35 minutes. After that, we're going to take them out, toss them a little bit more, put them back in, and we'll see how they look. The roasted spiralized rutabagas have been pulled out of the oven. You'll see this one's a little bit more golden. This one has been tossed about a little bit. It's a little bit more dark. That's okay. It was on the bottom rack. We like crispy vegetables anyway, so we're not too worried about it. So I've just kind of pulled it apart to fluff it up a little bit. That's what I'm going to do with this one. In the meantime, we've made a easy, quick garlic oil. All it was heating some olive oil up on the stove with some minced garlic in there. So Chris, if you would, here is the garlic oil. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Should I grab this from you?
Sure.
That's your right hand. I know you're no good with that.
Nope.
So again, I'm just going to give it a quick stir.
Just pour it over as best you can.
A little drizzle. And a little drizzle. Now, if this were not the middle of winter... Wait, is it the middle of winter?
It sure seems like it.
No, it's the middle of April. But it definitely seems like the middle of January. So if it wasn't the middle of January... April. We would have some nice fresh herb. Some nice fresh herbs, namely parsley, some chives would go really well with this, but we don't, so we're just going to skip that step. So again, here, can you take that back, Christopher?
I sure can.
So again, I'm just going to toss it up a little bit more, bring the two pans together, toss, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
That is a nice clump of spiralized rutabaga.
And I'm going to put it in this dish, which you'll see is on this beautiful hot pad that I made myself. I just made that yesterday. Double layered, yes. Beautiful craftsmanship. So I'm just going to throw that in there and I'll be ready for my kids to eat.
Are we going to give it a try first?
Oh, you like to do that, don't you?
Yes.
You like to eat your food before it's dinner time?
I do.
Okay, I've got a fork here.
Okay.
Let's see now. Oh, this isn't too
Oh,
bad.
that's perfect.
Here you go, I'll feed you first. Judging by the look on his face, he hates it. No, he doesn't hate it. It looks like he appreciates it. Growing up, did you ever eat turnip first?
No, I hated turnip.
You hated turnip. And then he met me and I was like, well, eat whatever I make. I'm just going to grab this little piece here, see what I think of it.
It's definitely the best turnip I've ever had.
That's pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Nice flavors, nice crunch. Beautiful.
Beautiful. All right.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you see, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, tell your friends, invite them over for dinner. I love to entertain. What else, Chris? What else do you say?
And then I say we'll see you next time.
Oh, we'll see you next time, but we won't. You'll see us next time.